NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is one of the most famous space organizations in the world. It is the dream of many young people to work at NASA, explore space, and contribute to scientific discoveries. The journey to NASA is not easy, but with hard work, determination, and passion for space, it is possible to achieve this dream. Interest in space. Most people who work at NASA develop an interest in space from a young age. They are curious about the stars, planets, and the universe. Some children dream of becoming astronauts, while others want to be scientists or engineers. Reading books about space, watching documentaries, and learning about famous astronauts inspire them to follow their dreams. Schools and teachers play an important role in encouraging students to explore their interest in space. Science fairs, astronomy clubs, and planetarium visits help young minds learn more about the universe. Education and hard work. To work at NASA, a strong education in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics, STEM, is necessary. Many NASA employees study subjects like physics, astronomy, computer science, and engineering. After school, they attend university to gain more knowledge. They work hard, do research, and participate in space-related projects. Universities often offer specialized courses in aerospace engineering, astrophysics, and robotics, which provide essential knowledge for aspiring space scientists. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest technological advancements are also crucial for those who want to work at NASA, gaining experience. NASA looks for people who have experience in space research and technology. Many students join internships at space research centers. Some work with scientists on important projects, while others build robots or design software. These experiences help them develop skills and increase their chances of working at NASA. Participation in international space competitions and science exhibitions can also boost their chances. Many universities collaborate with NASA for research projects, giving students a great opportunity to work closely with experts in the field. Training for astronauts. Becoming an astronaut is one of the most challenging paths at NASA. Astronauts undergo years of training in physical fitness, technical skills, and teamwork. They learn to handle spacecraft, survive in extreme conditions, and conduct scientific experiments in space. Training also includes simulations of space travel, underwater exercises to replicate zero gravity, and learning how to operate space equipment. Only a few candidates are selected each year, making the competition very tough. However, those who succeed get the chance to go beyond Earth and explore the unknown, overcoming challenges. The journey to NASA is full of challenges. Many people face difficulties in their studies or fail to get selected for jobs at first. However, they do not give up. They continue to learn, improve their skills, and try again. NASA wants people who are hardworking, patient, and passionate about space exploration. Many successful scientists and astronauts faced multiple rejections before achieving their dreams. Persistence and resilience are key qualities needed to overcome obstacles on this journey. Role of technology in NASA. Technology plays a vital role in space exploration. NASA uses advanced machines, satellites, and software to study space. Engineers, programmers, and scientists work together to develop new technologies for space travel. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and 3D printing are some of the latest advancements used by NASA. The future of space exploration depends on continuous technological improvements, and many young minds contribute by developing innovative solutions, reaching the dream. After years of studying and working hard, some people finally get the opportunity to work at NASA. They contribute to important space missions, explore new planets, and study the universe. Their journey is an inspiration for young dreamers who wish to follow in their footsteps. Working at NASA is not just about space travel, it also involves researching Earth's climate, developing new technologies, and solving complex problems. The impact of their work benefits not only space exploration but also everyday life on Earth. The future of space exploration. NASA is constantly working on new missions, such as sending humans to Mars, exploring distant planets, and searching for signs of life in space. The Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon and establish a permanent base for future space missions. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also collaborating with NASA to make space travel more accessible. The dream of space exploration is growing, and future generations will play a significant role in achieving new milestones. Conclusion: the journey to NASA is not easy, but it is possible with passion, dedication, and hard work. It requires strong education, experience, and patience. Those who dream of working at NASA should never stop learning and believing in themselves. With determination, they can achieve their goals and contribute to the world of space exploration. NASA represents human curiosity, innovation, and the desire to explore the unknown. If you are passionate about space, take the first step, work hard, and one day, you may be part of the great journey beyond Earth.